Ja, vi snakker om penger. أول أشكر يشكرون في سويته يوم النورين سنة أبريل. It's yours.
Thanks. We do for this computer. I think I will work with a font that isn't supported with the ordinary PowerPoint. So I made it as a